Namaste. My name is Prasanth Babu and my wife is Gautami. Gautami is she's carrying second pregnancy. So she is at now 16 to 17 weeks of pregnancy. So during the regular checkup, we came to know that Gautami's cervix length is very shortened, and we used to consult gynecologist Dr. Venkataramanastri at Sangareddy. So she advised to visit the Shilpi Reddy madam in KIMS Kondapur branch. So we came here and Shilpi Reddy madam immediately admitted Gautami, and she has diagnosed Gautami by doing the cerclage for the short cervix length. And after that we have been in the hospital for close observation of 2 days, and we have completed 2 days till now. There is no other side effects. Presently Gautami is doing very well now. So we have the fear of that how the short cervix length will give the outcome of to our Gautami's pregnancy. So by expert doctor by Shilpi Reddy madam, so it was treated well, and we are very happy with that treatment. We didn't know about first about Shilpi Reddy madam. So our referral doctor Venkataramanastri has called Shilpi Reddy madam on the day, and immediately Shilpi Reddy madam has understood the case, and she accepted that she will do the cerclage. And after we came here, the receivement is very good. I was a bit surprised by that how the team is received here, how the procedures are there. There are systematic procedures available in the KIMS Kondapur branch. So there is no obstacles or there are no hurdles while admitting the Gautami in the hospital. The entire process went very smooth without any hurdles to me. The cerclage treatment is went well, and I thank to Dr. Shilpi Reddy madam, and I am thank to total entire staff of KIMS Kondapur branch. I think I got hope after I came here, after I got treatment from the Shilpi Reddy madam, and the experience what I seen in Shilpi Reddy madam is very well, and she has given great hope to me, and she has given what to do in the next upcoming months. I am very happy with that. Thanks to KIMS Kondapur branch.